So, hey y'all, it's your girl Naava Mireyja. As y'all can see from the title, I'm gonna be doing my brows. They came out like this, kind of wonky, I don't even care. And if y'all want to know something, I said this in the video, like, if people who know me find this channel out or whatever, I know that's not my name Adia, right? But it means something, which y'all find out like later on in the video. But yeah, okay, yeah. Hope y'all enjoy it. Like, okay, yeah. See y'all in the video. Okay. What's good? It's your girl Naava. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing my brows. So I'm using an eyeshadow as my brow thing, and it's in Not a Basic Peach. Oh, JK. It's in Rose in the Ear, and I'm just using like that chocolate color. Using my Anastasia brush in the number 14, and using a concealer Beauty Treats angle brush, which is in the number 223. So what I do is I just brush it out. Yeah, so while I'm doing these, which I don't know how long it's gonna take me today, but it usually takes me a minute, I'm just gonna be talking to y'all. So hey, like I said, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I don't know what I'm gonna be posting on this channel, probably just like vlogs and stuff, I guess, who knows. If y'all want to know what my name means, I would have it down below because I kind of forgot. It's not my name, but it's like two that like represents biblical meanings. So yeah, wanted y'all to know that. I think I'm just gonna be posting lifestyle videos on here. So make sure y'all subscribe and stay tuned. You know what I mean? I'm gonna post like the best content possible for this channel. Sorry if I look cockeyed. I'm like trying to look at a brow and at the camera at the same time. It's like picking up. If you're wondering like why my hair looks like so, it's because I have like part lock, part braids. So lock, braids, yeah. Thought it were gonna look better, but whatever. Yeah, I have like a bump right there. I just got out the shower. And of course I'm putting on makeup because I haven't worn none today. Well, I'm lying, like early this morning I did. But yeah. Some facts about me. I'm a Leo. I'm in school, college to be exact. So let me tell y'all something. Please take school seriously, especially your eighth going to 9th grade year. Take it. Sorry, I might grab my head caught. So yeah, I'm a Leo. I'm in school. Make sure to take your 8th and 9th grade year like serious because those are the prime years for college. Like I'm telling you, that is definitely what colleges are looking for. Take serious, that's all I'm saying. I forgot to get concealer. It's the LA Girl Pro Conceal Chestnut, and I'm just gonna take it like this and just doing that. Oh, they look crooked. I'm saying it like it's an MCM. All right, and then I'm gonna do the other one, and I'm not even putting a lot of product, like the bare minimum, because you don't need that much, especially for like a more natural brow. And I feel bad because this brow definitely came out better than how I did it. All right, so obviously this one looks way better, but now taking like this shade here, I'm just gonna be setting that because you don't need a whole extra brush for that. And then, as you can see, I'm like patting it and dragging it. Yeah, so I look a hot mess. I try to do my edges, but all they're doing is curling back up. I might fix them later, but so far this is decent enough, you know what I mean? Decent enough. So I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. You want to say something? Look. Say hey, YouTube. Yeah.